This is Dave Espino, and today I'm answering a question: how do I earn consistent money online every month, offline or online? Well, I'm going to answer it as to the online version, because online, in my opinion, has so many advantages to offline. When you're online, you can use all kinds of leverage in your favor. And let me talk about what I think is the best answer to your question. To earn consistent income every month online, I recommend that you create what's called a how-to video course, an online course that teaches someone how to do something. Now, you can take your superpower, whatever that may be, whether it's a God-given talent or skill, knowledge, experience you've had in work, in the work environment, in the corporate world, experience you've had in the entrepreneurial world. You can take basically any information that you're good at or that you know or that you're passionate about and turn it into a video course, an online video course. When you do this, you are accessing tremendous leverage power. And the reason is you now have a product that you can sell over and over and over again. When you have a digital online video course, you can sell as many copies of that as you want. And it's amazing when you do. Now, there are two ways to market your online video course. You can either publish your course on a website like udemy.com, which is considered a marketplace website, and you can also publish that course on all these other websites that exist out there that are also marketplace websites like Skillshare, Skill Success, CyberU, Learningly, Amazing.com, ofcourse.uk. There's all these marketplace platforms where you can publish that same individual course on all these different platforms. You see, most of these platforms do not require that you be exclusive only to them. So you can take that same course you publish on Udemy and publish it on all these other marketplaces, and therefore you're stacking income streams and you're creating consistency, which is what you really want, a consistent monthly online income. Once you've created that first course, guess what? It is so much easier to create your second course, your third course, your fourth course, and so on. And so you can continue to stack courses plus income streams by all these marketplaces, and you can build a significant, massive passive income that is consistent. And that's what I've done. I've created over 60 online courses, published them on a bunch of different marketplaces, and now I have over a dozen income streams out there that are producing income for me, bringing income and building consistency and security. And it's amazing. Now, once you've done that, another great thing to do is what I call self-host your courses. When you self-host your courses, you could take the same course or maybe a modified version, maybe a longer version of that course, and publish it on your own self-hosted teaching platform. And when you do that, now you can make a lot more money because you can charge a lot more for your courses on the self-hosted platform. You have a lot more control over your courses, and there's so many more benefits to that as well. So this entire business I'm talking about is the online video course business. I call it the world's most perfect business because it has so many benefits to it. It is so awesome. It uses leverage in so many ways that you could literally do something once and get paid over and over and over again for it. Truly passive income. So I'd like to give you my free book. It's called The World's Most Perfect Business. It's available as a free download. Just click the link below this video on YouTube and you'll get access to my free book. And I look forward to seeing you on another video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button also and like the video, and I'll see you next time.